How to change Spotify password. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Spotify, tap on your profile at the top left corner, and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on logout. Now tap on login. Now enter your email address. Now tap on login without password. Now tap on open email application. Now open up Spotify, tap on go to Spotify. Now on the home page, simply tap on create new password. Now create a new password. Now click on save when you are done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.